Still on selling with e-commerce and classified platforms. This time we are going to be looking at how you can actually make more and much more sales using some certain strategies on these classified and e-commerce platforms. And this is what has been tested by not just my students but other mini importers as well. Now, when you are selling on platforms like Jumia, Konga, Due Day, and Gigi, it pays a whole lot to be selling more than one product. It doesn't have to be a very, very expensive product, but it should meet up with the criteria that we have already learned earlier on, that the product has to have a mass appeal, that a product that generally a lot of persons, a lot of Nigerians, because now you are marketing to the Nigeria audience, a lot of Nigerians need. That is one. Then it has to be affordable. Even if it is expensive, it's okay. But when you are starting, it has to be something that is affordable for you to bring in, something that doesn't cost, let's say at most, not more than 3,000 naira. If you are just starting up. So that is it. And then it doesn't have to be just one product. It's good to sell like different kinds of product. They could be in the same niche but different kinds of product. Let's say you are dealing on something relating to supplement. You could say supplement for the eye, for the brain, you understand, generally beauty product for the skin, and just like even if it's sex toys and enhancers, but there should be different kinds of products, so that if one is not doing too well, the other one will be doing too well. You'll be selling like daily, or even if it's not daily, the sales will be coming in continually because you are selling different kinds of products. So one, sell more than one product in the platforms. Then spread your product over different platforms. Just as I told you in the last class, there is Jumia, there is Konga, there is D-Day, there is Gigi. Not just them, there are a whole lot of them. I think I listed some of them in the PDF. You will find in the resource section in the members area. Now, what you do is that you have to be selling in all these platforms. List your wares, list your product, your goods in all these platforms, and let the sales be coming in. When they get out of stock, it's stated there that it is out of stock. Then make use of paid classified ads. These platforms like Gigi, they have the paid ads, the classified ads, that your product will be listed first on that particular homepage. This helps. But if you don't have the funds and when you are starting out, just list your product normally, and then the AI there, the search engine, will fish it out when the keywords or your tag is being searched for. Then also very, very important, share your product links on the social media platforms. You have to share your links, share to your friends, and let your friends share to their friends. Let it go viral. Share it on your status, share it on Facebook, share it everywhere, all the various social media. Just share it, and eventually you see your stay, they will start coming in, then they will double, triple, and the sales will skyrocket. Now, all this will need commitment from your own side. Apart from financial commitment, you need to set up your profile on this platform. You need to register with them. And doing these things, human beings being what they are, they don't want to work. But if you really, really want to kill it with mini importation, then you need to do all these things. So thank you and God bless. I will see you in the next tutorial, and when we come back, we are going to be going into the really, really fun part of it, and that's talking about Facebook marketing, now the metaverse, meta business. So we are going to see how you can, in fact, this is the combination of the whole marketing thingy. You really, really want to sell products, you need, aside doing free promotions and listing your product free, you need to be selling on Facebook. You can list up your product on Facebook, and in the next couple of hours you are already making sales. So I'm going to show you, even if you don't know anything relating to Facebook marketing, by the time we are done, you become very, very good with Facebook marketing. You don't need to be a guru to make sales, to sell your product. You become good enough to sell off your product and go into the 7-8 figure bracket very, very fast. So thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.